How was school? Fine. She did not eat. Not even the apple. Maybe we should order pizza tonight?
Sounds good to me. I'm starving.
They did not see it. I will check on her later. She is not fine, Cookie. I can tell.
Max, do you want a snack?
No, thank you, Dad. It was fine. It was just fine. This morning felt okay. This morning was okay. You must be Ella. Welcome. Come in. Thank you, Miss Park.
Everyone, this is Ella. She just moved here. Let's make her feel welcome.
Hi, I am Ella. I like reading. Window seat. That is something good.
Can anyone tell me the answer to question 3?
I know this one. Same answer. Next time, maybe.
Good work this morning, everyone. Lunchtime in 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Everyone already has somewhere to sit. It is okay. I will find a spot. It is fine. Just eat. She sat here. She chose this spot. Is that a book sticker? Yes. I like reading.
Me too. What are you reading right now?
I am reading a book about... Oh, whoa! I have to go. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I did not finish the sentence. I did not even say my name.
Good answer, Ella. Thank you.
She is laughing. That is good. She has friends. It was fine. Nobody was mean. Nothing was wrong. It was just fine. Was the classroom cold? What?
Some classrooms are cold in the morning. New buildings. Different air conditioning.
It was not cold, Max. Did you sit near anyone interesting? Interesting. I sat near people. They were normal. It was fine, Max. Which book did you bring today? The one about astronomy. Did you finish your lunch? I was not very hungry. You always eat your lunch. Not always. Max, I am okay. Did anything good happen? The classroom had a window seat. That was good. That is good. Window seats are good. She said something good happened. But she stopped too fast. Sophia. She probably does not even remember. Tomorrow. I have to go back tomorrow. It was fine. Everything was fine.
Ella! Dinner!
I will get her. Dinner. Okay. So,
First day stories. Who starts?
I saw a frog in the garden after school. It was green, very green, with spots.
A spotted frog? In our garden?
Bread? Thank you, Mom. Not yet. She will tell me when she is ready.
Ella, how was your first day? Good teacher?
Yes, Miss Park is nice.
Did you understand the lessons?
Yes. I already know most of it from my old school.
She asked about the frog at lunch, too.
Who did?
The girl who sat beside you at lunch.
How do you know about that?
I do not know. I guessed. Was I right?
Dinner is good, Mom.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Cookie, not the table.
Cookie, off the table. You know the rule.
She is on the chair, Dad, not the table.
She knows the rules exactly well enough to break them perfectly.
She always does.
Go rest if you need to, Ella.
I will. Thank you for dinner. Maybe she sat there by accident. Maybe she was just looking for a space. Can I come in? You are already in. You do not have to talk. I will just sit here. I said I am fine, Max. Please stop. Okay. I will be in my room.
The window seat sounds nice, though. Good night, Ella.
I was not mean to him. Was I mean to him? Cookie. Hi. Max sent you, did he?
Probably not. You just do what you want.
It was a boring day. Nothing really happened. You are very warm. Okay, you can stay there.
There was a girl. Her name is Sophia.
She sat beside me at lunch. She asked about my book sticker. She said she likes reading too. And then she asked what I was reading. And the bell rang. And she was gone. Cookie. I almost had a friend today.
I did not expect that. I did not expect it to feel like that.
Hi. Hi. Cookie found you. She always does. There was a girl called Sophia. She sat beside me at lunch.
I just don't understand why she was being so mean to me today at school. It really hurt my feelings when she said that. I did not even finish my sentence. She was gone before I said anything real. And then I said fine at dinner. Because I did not want everyone to worry.
You were trying to take care of us.
You were all already tired from moving.
You do not have to carry your hard days alone. That is what family is for.
It was only 2 sentences. She probably does not even remember me. What if she does not remember me?
Then tomorrow you say hello first. Then you remind her.
Yeah.
That is how friendships start.
Say hello first. What if she is busy?
Then you say hello and she is busy. And the next day you try again.
Sophia. Okay.
You are braver than you think.
I do not feel very brave.
That is exactly what brave feels like.
It does not feel like enough.
What book were you going to tell her about?
The astronomy one. She might like it. Or might not. But she asked.
Tell her about it tomorrow. That is your hello.
Thank you, Max.
You are welcome. For the dry air.
Good night, sweetheart. Well done.
I do not know what you mean by that.
You do not have to sit on the floor. The floor is fine.
Her name is Sophia. And I am going to say hello tomorrow.
Good. Sophia is a good name. Was the window seat by the left wall or the right?
Left. Near the door.
Left side, near the door. Good for light, also good for seeing who comes in. Strategic.
You are so strange, Max.
Thank you.
Get some sleep.
You too, Cookie. Off the bed before midnight.
She said no.
Yeah.
She always said no.
You are going to be okay, Ella.
I know.
She sat there on purpose, by the way. People do not sit somewhere by accident.
She sat there on purpose. She chose that spot. I am going to say hello first tomorrow. That is the plan. In case she asks again. Or in case I say hello first and she asks.
First days are the hardest. The second one is already better.
Okay. Second day tomorrow. Hi, Sophia. Hi. I am Ella. I was reading a book about astronomy. Hi. Do you like stars? That is better. Shorter. You approve? Okay. I will take that as a yes. Say hello first. That is how it begins. Good night, Ella. Good night, Max.
Astronomy is a great first topic, by the way. Were you listening? 5 more minutes until bedtime, drama queen. Say hello first. That is how it begins.